This is a super quick all you need to know review about the JETech Ultra Slim case for iPhone 14 Pro. I've used this for a week now and I have a few pros and cons to share with you. First of all, I wanted a very slim case, and this is definitely a good choice for a slim case. It is thin, modern, and minimalistic. The material is quite hard, and I am happy with the quality. It fits great around all the buttons and the 3 camera lenses. The borders are a little higher around the glass, which protects the glass well. I am a bit clumsy and usually drop my phone a lot, so I need something that is safe. It is lightweight and matte. It is easy to hold and not very slippery, but there is no non-slip technology. I like that it supports wireless charging. And my favorite thing is probably that it's not soft and bendable, it sticks on the phone very well. I'm really happy with the purchase and I will most likely buy more colors. Therefore, I can recommend it.